was disciplined as a child. I am a Buddhist that requires discipline, meditation, not eating meat. I appreciate your help, but your efforts are more wisely spent on preaching door to door, not to apostates on YouTube.
You're wrong, my friend. It's both. I wouldn't think you would know anything about Jesus cause you're into Buddhist. But it is a commandment that we go from door to door. Even you. Now, as far as apostates, I keep telling those folks to stop addressing my page. But they don't listen. The Bible speaks on them too. And it's nothing good. Laugh out loud. It even tells us to stay away from those types. For Satan is their god.
Buddhists accept knowledge from other religions. I was raised a JW, so I have a very good knowledge of how it all works. Just because a person doesn't agree with your viewpoint doesn't make them satanic. That is a teaching of the Watchtower, almost exclusively.
And trust me, if you don't change, Jehovah is gonna kill you dead. For it is written, he speaks down on apostates. If we was living in Bible times today, you would be dead already.
Brotherly love is always so strong from jaded JWs on the internet. Jehovah is not real. I don't care if you close your eyes and try to hear his voice every night for the rest of your life. What is real, what isn't, isn't. I know we are not living in Bible times. Thank God. We have evolved beyond the barbaric rules of the Bible into a somewhat more civilized society. Jehovah does not scare me because his great tribulation has been imminent for a long time now. If it was going to happen, it would have. Sorry, the universe works this way. Get used to it. Why don't you tell me next that God is going to kill me because I'm bisexual? That one never gets old.
Not really, my friend. All I'm doing is putting it out there. Matthew 28. I'm not trying to convert anyone, and careless if anyone takes heed. Why? Because I feel in the end, we all will find out the truth anyways. So we can come on here, and fuss, and argue on beliefs all we want. I'm not changing, and I know you're not as well. And I never said anything about being satanic. I said you're being an apostate. Which means you have abandoned the truth. And if you was a JW at one time, wow, that means you made a vow to Jehovah before you was baptized. And guess what? That vow you made can never be broken, even after he kills you. So you do you. I careless what you say, think, or feel. You do what you. My job is done with you. The only thing is imminent is your fate. So stand by, my friend, your turn is coming. So if you like having sex with both sex, laugh out loud. Thoughts you, I careless. I knew it was a reason why I just couldn't believe nothing you say on the Bible or about God. Hell, you have issues as to what sex you wanna be. You would do a man or woman. I will make sure I won't be around you anywhere alone. You're one messed up cat. A sick puppy. Wow.
Let's get a few things straight, okay? 1. Bisexual means attracted to both sexes. 2. Sexuality does not discredit a person's arguments. 3. Even if I was transgender, there would be nothing wrong with me calling me a sick puppy. Nice. You have proven my point that Jehovah's Witnesses are intolerant. For your information, I'm using this conversation as a reference point for some of my friends.
So how do you explain this scripture on gayness? 1 Corinthians 6:9. And as far as you being an apostate, read this one too. Isaiah 10:6. Now show that to your friends. Laugh out loud. Plus I see you don't have any comment on that vow you made to Jehovah just before you got baptized. So again, you lose. You are a sick puppy. The reason why I even talk to you is because I feel sorry for you, and I careless why you're using this conversation. Like I said, and nothing changed. Just relax, so coming up with all these dumb excuses, and get ready for your fate. Laugh out loud. Sue, you like men and women? Have you ever had sex with both? You're sick, you need prayer.
So how do you explain this scripture on not eating lobster? Leviticus 10:11. What did I lose? I don't recall entering a competition. Quite honestly, I don't think either of us are in a competition, so we have nothing to lose. What dumb excuses would you be referring to? Yes, not that it is any of your business. I have had sex with both. I thought the Watchtower was passive on homosexuality. They teach that you are not supposed to speak out against it, but at the same time, you are not supposed to condone it. If you could cut down on the homophobia, that would be great. I would say you are sick and need prayer, but you need relaxation. You are extremely tense when talking about apostates. Anything you would like to know about me? I'm an open book. One more thing, I'm a Buddhist. So quoting the Bible does not really do a whole lot for me. Is this the end? It all depends on Stormy. If he continues to personally message me, I will be sure to keep people updated.